The Nordic Heart is found all over the region as a visual sign of love, unity, and connection. Now translate that same look and feel in a felt wool heart that you can create yourself. It's a beautiful and doable project brought to us by Nancy Jones from Paper and Felt Midway. Welcome to the show, Nancy. I was just saying, you're never too young to start your TV debut.
I'm pretty old.
No, we are so happy to have you. This project is one obviously of your amazing display that you've brought today.
This is from my daughter's store called Paper and Felt in Midway.
I love it.
And she has so many beautiful things, and some of them I help her make a few things, but I'm old, so I can't make too much.
That's twice now, Nancy. No more of that. Okay, tell us exactly about this heart project. What inspired it? What makes you love it?
Well, I learned about needle felting about 20 years ago when my husband and I went to New Zealand. I'd never heard of it before, and the history of it I don't know, but it's been around for thousands of years. But the needles were invented about in the 80s, I think.
Yes, it's all that detail and that beautiful little detail.
Yeah.
What supplies do we need to be able to do this project?
Well, first of all, you have to have something to work on, like a needle felting pad, but these hearts this is a heart in progress, and they have padding in it, so you can get along without the needle felting pad.
Okay.
But these are just some examples of some that have been made by some of our employees. Help us make them, and we've taught them how to do it.
Okay. You know, I'm trying to figure out how we're going to take this wool felt ball and how it's going to become that. Can we sit down? Can we sit down and let's enjoy ourselves? We're going to enjoy ourselves. We're going to take a seated position, and Nancy's going to teach me how we take this ball and make it into this cutie over here.
Felting is definitely a sitting down. It's hard to stand up and felt because you have a pad.
I'm pregnant. I'm happy to sit. I'm happy to enjoy this. You tell us what to do.
I will tell you what to do. Okay, first of all, let me talk to you about the needle.
Okay.
The needle is really sharp and pointed, and it has barbs, and that's what attaches this wool. You just pull off this wool in little pieces.
Okay.
You don't cut it because that blunts the ends. So you just tear it off, and then you start making your design, and you use your needle.
Oh, and you're just poking in the design.
With your needle, you have to go in and out the same way. If you go in and turn it, when I learned in New Zealand, the lady didn't mention that to me, and I bought 12 needles from her, and I broke every one of them in about 2 days.
Okay, so good point of distinction. It has to go in and out completely. You can't turn the needle.
Just go in and out, and you can use your needle to kind of push the design where you want to go. And the thing I like about it...
She's so fast. She's just leaving me in the dust.
20 years.
You're leaving me in the dust, Nancy. So how am I making this into that shape? Can I like free-form it?
Yes.
And then poke it in?
You can kind of free-form it and take your needle, and be careful not to poke your finger with your needle.
I'm trying to show the camera.
Yeah.
Just to give it a little bit of love. And
it's hard to...
I just can't figure out how this is going to become a heart, but I'm just going to keep poking.
So...
See, Nancy, this is... You can't just leave me high and dry over here.
No, I don't want to. Look at that. You're doing great.
She says I'm doing great.
So take your needle.
Oh, you're going around the edges.
And go around the edge.
Oh, and securing it. Okay.
Now you've got kind of a heart shape, and you can just kind of keep felting it in.
Oh my gosh, I made a heart.
You're wonderful.
Did you see that? Okay.
For a newbie, you're doing great. And just keep stabbing that in. And then this is a multitask.
Okay.
This is one of the girls in our store was making this, so we took it to show you how cute she's done the flowers around the edge.
Oh, the flowers around the edge.
So,
did she use this multi-tool?
No, you use a single tool, but after you get through, you can take this multi-tool and go over it.
Oh, and what's this doing for us?
And that gets it more impacted in.
Oh, impacted in?
And, you know, so that it's more secure.
Okay.
Now, like, if you don't like something, like I decided I didn't like this thing right here. It's pretty in there, but you can pull it out.
She just pulled it right out.
That's why I like this, because I knew I could make mistakes.
Yeah.
And I could, you know, keep
Now, if we're loving this look of the felt, which is so cute, and obviously an entire store around it. What other products can we use to add to our decor? What are some of your favorites over here?
Well, I like to do flat felting, and this picture is just flowers.
Oh, this is flat felting.
And so that's just a piece of wool that you put down on your pad, and then you just make a design.
And then you squish it in there?
And you just felt it in like you do that.
Wow.
And
Gorgeous.
then here's some.
And there's also some kits that we can get.
Yes, we have.
Depending on how adventurous we're going to be.
I have this. We didn't have room, but.
Oh, we didn't have room.
We make Santa Clauses.
Oh,
we make little nativities that are cute.
And we can find all of this where?
Well, we don't have the Santa kits out now, but we have heart kits. We have a Jesus picture. That's this one that everyone likes.
Oh, wow,
So
look at this.
That's a flat felting.
Share this.
Jesus and his sheep. And then we have pin cushions.
Oh, so pretty. So all this can be found at the store. Tell us about the store. Tell us where it is.
It's in Midway.
Okay.
It's right on Main Street, attached to the historic town hall.
Oh,
it's on
lovely.
the east side.
Okay.
And it's open from 11 to 6 every day, except Sunday. And so these are, some of the things we have. We sell in there pin cushions. We sell
Paper and Felt in Midway.
The plain hearts. You can buy this roving. We sell by the yard.
We got it all.
We sell needles. We have everything you need.
You're going to take me out of a job here, Nancy. Great job. Thanks so much. Paper and Felt in Midway.
Right.
Thank you.